Think all charging cables are the same? Think again. I'm a tech expert with years of device testing experience. Many cables charge slowly or wear out quickly. Frustrating, right? Meet the Anker USB-C cable. Certified, powerful, and eco-friendly. USB-IF certification means safe, efficient charging every time. Charge your iPhone 16 to 50% in just 30 minutes. 240W max output powers laptops, tablets, and phones effortlessly. Bio-Braided nylon reduces petroleum use by up to 40%. Tested to survive 10,000 bends, built for real-life durability. I've used it on trips. No fraying, no slowdowns, just reliability. Get the Anker cable, 24-month warranty, and peace of mind. Upgrade your charging. Choose speed, sustainability, and strength today.